The construction and industry can be very dangerous. In fact, that when something goes wrong, it can be life-threatening. From towering skyscrapers to treacherous bridges, these projects put people's creativity to the test against difficult odds. They show how strong and determined people need to be to overcome the risks that come with pushing the limits of engineering and construction. In this video, we will highlight some of the most dangerous construction projects undertaken, so make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 10. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam is a gravity dam in Ethiopia that utilizes the force of the Blue Nile River. Since 2011, the dam has been under construction. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam produced electricity for the first time in February 2022, contributing 375 megawatt to the power grid. However, the dam is nowhere near maximum capacity as the reservoir holding the water is in a filling period that could last up to 7 years. The construction of the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam required a sizable labor force that faced numerous obstacles. Geological hazards, seismic concerns due to the region's seismic activity, silt accumulation influencing storage capacity, and the potential influence of climatic variability presented formidable obstacles to the construction process. Number 9. Hoover Dam. This enormous concrete structure was completed in 1935 and was the tallest of its kind. The engineering masterpiece was constructed to dam the Colorado River and generate hydroelectric electricity for the rapidly expanding southwestern United States. From the perspective of construction, some of the most intriguing aspects of the Hoover Dam's construction occurred prior to the groundbreaking. 6 companies, aptly called Six Companies, incorporated joint forces to construct the dam because no single contractor was large enough to take on the project alone. During the Great Depression, the dam created approximately 21,000 jobs, drawing people from all over the country out west, which helped populate entire new communities, including Boulder City, Nevada, which continues to thrive today. Number 8. The Karakoram Highway. The Karakoram Highway connects Pakistan's Islamabad to China's Kashgar and is the world's highest altitude paved international road, spanning over 1,200 kilometers. It goes through dangerous and unstable rocky terrain, which makes it one of the most dangerous roads in the world. Unpredictable landslides, a common occurrence in such terrain, have tragically caused a majority of the over 900 lives lost during construction. This remains a significant hazard to the safety of the numerous travelers who travel on this highway even in the present day. Number 7. Bailong Elevator. In 2002, the Bailong Elevator in Jiangxi, China, was a great achievement. It was built on the side of a huge hill and was open to the public. Its high height of 326 meters makes it the largest and heaviest lift in the world. Beyond its impressive stature, the Bailong Elevator serves a practical role, catering to tourists' needs. During the day, tourists can enjoy mountain hikes and trips to see the sights. As the sun goes down, this lift makes it easy for them to get down to the base of the mountain, making it easy to switch from exploring to resting. This technical marvel combines comfort and breathtaking views in a way that makes traveling so much better. Number 6. Shanghai Tower. The Shanghai Tower in China is the second tallest tower in the world, after the Burj Khalifa, at 632 meters tall and 128 stories. Also, it is one of the greenest. At the time of its opening in 2015, it was one of the only ultra-tall structures to receive LEED Platinum, the highest ecological classification. Its 270 wind generators atop the structure generate 10% of its electricity, which is used to power its exterior lighting. According to the building's designers, its sustainability features reduce its annual carbon footprint by a meteoric 34,000 metric tons. This skyscraper not only dominates the sky, but also represents the pinnacle of green technology integration in contemporary architecture. Yet the pursuit of height brought seismic concerns, structural intricacies, and sustainability hurdles. Number 5. Plant Vogtle. With an estimated cost of $30 billion, Plant Vogtle in Waynesboro, Georgia will become the largest nuclear plant in the United States. The enormous power plant in Georgia is actively constructing 2 new nuclear power units, the first to be constructed in the United States in more than 3 decades. 𝐥𝐢𝐤 3 and 𝐥𝐢𝐤 4 are both designs for AP1000 nuclear power plants and will account for 2 of the 6 AP1000 constructions worldwide. 𝐥𝐤 is presently the largest construction project, job-creating in Georgia, with more than 7,000 workers on site and more than 800 permanent positions available once the units commence operation. The project has also been a major economic development driver for the region during construction. Number 4. Navantia Windfloat. The Navantia Windfloat project, undertaken by the Semi-Submerged Foundation and executed at the Ferrol shipyard in Spain, enlisted the services of Coordinadora Company to transport the offshore wind turbine. Positioned 20 kilometers off the Viana de Castelo coast, this innovative project involved submerging substantial structures 100 meters underwater. Coordinadora's confidence in the Windfloat project stemmed from its robust design, engineered to endure even the harshest maritime conditions. This achievement earned it the distinction of being the world's inaugural floating wind farm, boasting a 25-megawatt total capacity and catering to the clean energy needs of approximately 60,000 individuals. Moreover, it contributes to the reduction of 1.1 million tons of annual carbon dioxide emissions. Number 3. The Burj Khalifa. The world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, emerged from the desert landscape of Dubai. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai, with its astounding height of 828 meters and 163 stories, redefines architectural masterpieces. Its streamlined design integrates cutting-edge technologies, including a one-of-a-kind cladding system that can withstand the heat of the desert. Battling against wind loads, material limitations, and the unknowns of unprecedented height, this iconic skyscraper encapsulates the daring spirit of pushing boundaries. This project underscores the fine line between innovation and adversity. Number 2. The Akashi Kaikyo Bridge. The Akashi Kaikyo Bridge in Japan stands as a testament to life-saving engineering. In the past, the Akashi Strait relied on boats and ferries for passage, exposing travelers to the treacherous nature of the waterway, particularly during harsh weather. Notably, in 1955, tragedy struck when 2 ferries succumbed to the strait's fury, claiming the lives of 168 individuals. Linking Kobe City to Awaji Island, the bridge's construction employed ingenious techniques, incorporating counterweights, pendulums, and steel truss girders to fortify its resilience against hurricanes and adverse conditions. This monumental feat brought a safer and more reliable connection, saving lives and exemplifying human innovation's remarkable potential. Battling fierce weather and geotechnical risks, it proved that even the grandest of bridges must face the forces of nature head-on. Number 1. Panama Canal. The Panama Canal is the 51-mile-long artificial waterway connecting the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. The Panama Canal was one of the deadliest and largest engineering undertakings ever undertaken. The French began the project in 1881, but had to abandon it due to a high worker mortality rate and engineering difficulties. By the time the French halted the project, more than 25,000 individuals had perished due to the hazardous working conditions. When the United States took over in 1904, an additional 5,600 people died from hunger and disease. Approximately 30,600 lives were lost throughout the duration of the project. Due to its remarkable structure, efficient system, and strategic location, the Panama Canal now accounts for up to 6% of the world's trade gap, connecting more than 140 maritime routes to 1,700 ports in 60 countries. That's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.